So it says compound assignment with the augmented subtraction. So like the plus equals operator, there's a minus equals operator, and it subtracts a number from a variable. So my var equals my var minus 5, or subtract 5 from my var. This can be written as my var minus equals 5. Convert the assignment for A, B, C to use the minus equals operator. So it tells you A equals 11, B equals 9, C equals 3. So similar to the one before, we need to use this operator. So this one we will change, put the minus in front, get rid of the minus, get rid of the A. Likewise with this one. So that you understand it, you're basically saying A equals A minus 6, which is 11 minus 6. B equals B minus 15, which is 9 minus 15. C equals C minus 1, which is 3 minus 1. So yeah, that's what it should be calculating. Yep, so that's right.